Welcome to Cozy Budget Deals and Meals, a completely judgment-free zone where real-life cooking comes first. On this channel, you'll find affordable, simple, and stress-free recipes that fit real budgets and real schedules. We take all the help we can get, including boxed and convenient foods, and boost them with budget-friendly ingredients that add nutrients, flavor, and fullness. And every recipe I share is one that I've personally made and truly love. Here you will find weekly meal inspiration, extreme budget meal challenges, and easy recipes using affordable ingredients from Aldi's or Walmart and occasionally other local stores that might be closer to you. Every week I share a budget-friendly meal plan that can feed up to 6 people, an extreme budget challenge, plus a bonus video packed with tips, tricks, and ideas to make meal planning, meal prepping, and living on a budget easier. Because yes, you can eat on a budget and still eat well. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a whole family, my goal is to help you enjoy what you cook and cook what you enjoy, all while keeping things cozy, realistic, and budget friendly.